If you run quizzes with LearnPress, you've probably wanted to penalize wrong answers without taking away the full question mark, like minus 0.25 per wrong answer or a percentage of the mark. By default, LearnPress only lets you deduct the full question mark. In this video, I'll show you how to set up custom negative marking, fix points or a percentage, in under a few minutes. You'll need WordPress with LearnPress installed and at least one course with a quiz. Make sure LearnPress is active before you add this plugin. Step 1. Install the LearnPress Custom Negative Marking plugin. Once activated, don't get surprised that you don't see any menu. This is because the plugin adds its options inside each quiz's settings. Let us come to Step 2 now. Go to LearnPress, open your course, and click the quiz you want to edit. Scroll to the quiz settings box. You'll see the usual options: duration, passing grade, instant check, and negative marking. Step 3. Turn on negative marking. Check negative marking. That means wrong answers will cost points. If you also want to penalize skipped questions, check minus for skip. Right under that, you'll see a new field: Custom Deduction. Wrong, skip. That's where this plugin comes in. Step 4. Set the custom deduction. You have 3 options. Option A, leave it empty. Then LearnPress uses its default. Each wrong or skipped answer deducts the full question mark, so a 2-point question wrong means minus 2. Option B, fixed points. Type a number like 0.25 or 1. Every wrong or skipped answer will deduct that many points, no matter how much the question is worth. So 0.25 is great for exams where you want a small, fixed penalty per wrong answer. Option C, percentage. Type a number followed by a percent sign, like 25%. Then each wrong or skipped answer deducts that percentage of the question's mark. So for a 2-point question, 25% means minus 0.5. For a 4-point question, 25% means minus 1. Choose the option that fits your exam style, then click Update to save the quiz. Quick example. You have a 5-question quiz, each question 1 point, so 5 points total. You set custom deduction to 0.25. A student gets 3 right and 2 wrong. They earn 3 points and lose 2 times 0.25, so 0.50. Their score is 2.50 out of 5. Recap. Install and activate the plugin, edit your quiz, enable negative marking, and optionally minus for skip. Then set custom deduction to a fixed number like 0.25 or a percentage like 25% and save. That's it. You now have custom negative marking on that quiz. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe for more LearnPress tips. See you in the next one.